My lovely client Kim here is going to be my demo, and what we're going to do is show our viewers on the process of an at-home manicure pedicure, something that you can do in the convenience of your home or your residence, using our Whipped Shea Body Cream, which is very good for the hands and the feet, and our Peppermint Vanilla Manicure Pedicure Scrub, which is excellent for exfoliating the skin on the hands and the feet as well. We have our fingernail clipper here. So this is, like I said, this is what you can do at home. Just get a regular fingernail file. It doesn't have to be fancy. You can go anywhere to get a fingernail file, your local beauty supply store, and just clip your nails to your desired length. And just grab a regular nail file. You can also find this at your local beauty supply store. Because you're doing it at home, it doesn't have to be anything fancy or anything like that, just something that you can get on your own. And we're just going to basically file our nail. One thing that you want to do too when you're doing your own at-home manicure, always make sure, especially in the winter season, right now in North Carolina, we're in our fall-winter season and the weather is getting kind of cold outside and dry, which can mean that the skin around your cuticles gets a little hard and you get those little hangnails that can eventually hurt if you don't take care of them. The next step for a quick express manicure at home is to use our Peppermint Vanilla Manicure Pedicure Scrub. And this is kind of what it looks like inside. Smell that, Kim. Smells good, doesn't it? And it's made with real organic peppermint essential oil. And what you want to do is take a spoon or a stirrer. Most people have a spoon at home. Either way, it's your personal jar, so you can do as you please with it. And what you want to do is take the salts and just swirl it around in the oil. Get a nice little even mixture of oil and salts. And it's made with real peppermint flakes. See that? All natural, of course. Put it in the palm of your hand. And then, like I said, this is something that you can do at home. And what we're going to do is just rub it right into her hands here. And we're going to focus on the cuticle area. Because in the wintertime, the cuticle area is what tends to get dry, right, Kim? And it cleans up nicely, while at the same time it moisturizes. And sometimes people have calluses in the palm of their hand. Our exfoliant is really good for the calluses. And this is something that you can do daily or as needed. And you can also use this on your feet. It's wonderful on your feet. All you have to do for your feet is fill up a foot basin, soak your feet for about 10 or 15 minutes, get the scrub, and then rinse off, and voila. You got a nice at-home pedicure. Now that we've washed our hands, the scrub tends to have a nice amount of oil in it, so you really don't have to follow up with any additional moisturizer. And it just adds a nice added layer of moisture. And pay attention to your cuticles. It'll also keep the hangnails from forming, because as long as you have the moisture, you won't get that hard keratin that builds up on the sides of your nails, which can be painful. Once again, these are the two products that I've used today, and you can visit the website www.frommetouessentials.weebly.com, or you can go to our www.thetravelingpedicurist.com and purchase these products right from our website. Or if you have questions, you can call me directly at 919-621-7027, and I will answer all of your questions that you may have regarding our products. Thank you.